In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up your Wimba podcast environment for Learning Module 2. I understand that some people are having a problem actually accessing the software, whilst others are having no problem at all because podcast episodes are already been posted. So if you are having a problem, just watch this video and we'll see if we can unravel some of the issues for you. So you want to click onto the Learning Module 2 folder, and I'm just going to switch my staff access off so that I can replicate what you see. So go into Learning Module 2 and open up or click on LM2 Podcast. So this is opening up the software that will allow you to actually record the podcast. And what should happen is that where my mouse is now, it's going to look quite different because I'm on a Mac, not on a PC. But this is where your software environment should turn up. Now, because I'm operating from campus, I need to put in my details here. If you're operating from home, you shouldn't have this issue. So what will happen is that once you've actually logged in, it will load up this environment here. So this is where you actually record your podcast, and I'll go through that in a moment. If you are having problems, so if this dialog box pops up, but it actually says something like audio initiation failed, or it might say audio init failed. What I'd like you to do is try and run through the setup wizard and see that if it solves the problem for you. So again, on this dialog box, just go down to the bottom where it says setup wizard and click on that once. And this will run through making sure that your Java is correct and that your connectivity and playback is absolutely fine. So as you run through this, it's going to check the system for you. So then that tells me that I'm actually ready to go through. If those particular parts aren't working, it will come back and tell you how to solve them. And that is when you go through, see if you can make that happen. If it doesn't, send me an email and we'll see what we can do. We might have to think of another workaround and revert back to the original system for some of you that we used in Learning Module 1 to actually submit your introductory podcast. But for the majority of us, Wimba actually works a lot better. It's easier to use. Everything is in one place. In order to find out how to actually post your podcast, you'll need to go back to the other video tutorial, which is in Leo. And so when you go to the EDFD 460 homepage, click on Learning Module 2, and you'll see here it says how to record your LM2 podcast video tutorial.